Hey, science explorers! Today we're diving into 4 amazing physics laws that explain motion, light, electricity, and even X-rays. Ever wondered how planes fly or why sunglasses cut glare? It's all physics. Physics isn't just equations, it's the universe's instruction manual. We'll use cool animations and real-world examples to reveal these hidden rules. By the end, you'll spot these laws in action all around you. So grab a comfy chair and let's start our scientific adventure. First up, the Lorentz law, the rulebook for how electricity and magnetism team up to move things. Imagine you're a charged particle, like an electron, drifting through space. An electric field pushes you forward or backward, depending on your charge. But if you're moving and there's a magnetic field, it pushes you sideways, only if you're already in motion. So, with both fields, you get pushed in 2 directions at once, creating a unique curving path. The Lorentz law is the equation that predicts exactly how you'll move, based on your charge, speed, and the strength of the fields. This law powers electric motors, particle accelerators, and even old-school TVs. Whenever you see a motor spin or hear about scientists smashing atoms, that's Lorentz law in action. It's the universe's way of showing that electricity and magnetism are 2 sides of the same coin. Together, they create the ultimate cosmic push and pull. Now you know the secret choreography behind so much of our technology. Let's see how another law helps us soar. How do airplanes fly? It's all thanks to Bernoulli's law. Bernoulli's principle says that in a moving fluid, like air, faster flow means lower pressure, and slower flow means higher pressure. Airplane wings are curved on top and flatter underneath. As the plane moves, air travels faster over the top, creating low pressure, and slower underneath, creating high pressure. This pressure difference generates lift, pushing the plane upward. When lift beats gravity, the plane takes off. The same principle helps race cars stick to the track and makes baseballs curve. Bernoulli's law is a simple trade-off between speed and pressure, but it explains so much, from home runs to jumbo jets. Next time you see a plane in the sky, remember it's physics, not magic. Let's switch gears and see how light behaves in the real world. Ready for some optical secrets? Here comes Brewster's law. Ever notice how polarized sunglasses cut glare from water or roads? That's Brewster's law at work. Light waves vibrate in all directions, unpolarized. When they reflect off surfaces like water, they become mostly polarized, vibrating horizontally. Brewster's law says there's a special angle, Brewster's angle, where reflected light is perfectly polarized. Polarized sunglasses have filters that block this horizontal glare, letting you see clearly. It's not just marketing. It's physics filtering out the blinding light. So next time you put on those shades, you're using a law of light discovered nearly 200 years ago. Physics makes sunny days easier on your eyes. Now, let's shrink down to the atomic level and see how X-rays reveal the invisible. Ready to see the building blocks of matter? Let's dive into Bragg's law. How do we see atoms or the structure of DNA? With X-rays and Bragg's law, crystals are made of layers of atoms. When X-rays hit these layers, some reflect off the top, others off deeper layers. If the reflected waves line up perfectly, constructive interference, you get a strong signal at specific angles. Bragg's law connects the X-ray wavelength, the spacing between atomic layers, and the angle of reflection. By measuring these angles, scientists map out the exact arrangement of atoms. This is how we discovered DNA's double helix and design new materials today. It's like using X-ray echoes to see the invisible architecture of our world. Bragg's law turns invisible atoms into visible patterns. Physics lets us peer into the tiniest secrets of nature. Let's wrap up our journey. 11. And there you have it. 4 powerful physics laws that shape our world, from flying planes to mapping DNA. Physics is everywhere, and now you can spot its magic in daily life. Stay curious. Keep asking questions and explore the science all around you. If you enjoyed this, like, share, and subscribe for more fun science videos. Let us know in the comments which law amazed you most, or what topic you want next. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.